We are going to talk about how to delete a Zendrop account. Follow these steps and you will be able to do it. So first thing first is that you have to log in with your registered account. For example, for me, I have just logged into my account as you guys can see that. And the second step is contact the support. So how you guys can do it? Use the in-app messenger, which is for example over here. And by using it, just simply request it to deactivate from the customer success team. So by doing so, all you have to do is to simply deactivate your account. So if you have like activate any subscription, just cancel it via the billing page by clicking the three dots, then edit, and then finally downgrade. So how you guys can do it, simply go to the billing section. How you guys can find the billing section, go to your profile, click on the billing, and by doing so you will be able to come to the billing section. Here you guys can see that I don't have any active subscription as of now, but if you have any subscription that are activated, that will be shown right here, so you guys can simply deactivate it. So make sure that you deactivate all subscription before deleting your account, and then just simply go to the account, search in the deactivation terms, how do I deactivate my Zendrop account. By clicking on that, you will be able to contact the contact support over the internet, and that way you will be able to delete your or deactivate your account. This is pretty much it. I hope you found this really helpful.